Welcome to ThinkTankQuiz. In this video, we guess the 30 general knowledge question in 5 seconds. How many question are you guess? Correct answer, comment below. Let's start.
What is the most common surname in the United States?
What car manufacturer had the highest revenue in 2020? What Renaissance artist is buried in Rome's Pantheon? What language has more native speakers, English or Spanish? Don't forget, if you liked the video, please like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. What sports car company manufactures the 911? What is the highest rated film on IMDb as of January 1st, 2022? What character have both Robert Downey Jr. and Benedict Cumberbatch played? What country drinks the most coffee per capita? What company was originally called Cadabra? What year was the United Nations established? What is the fourth letter of the Greek alphabet? What game studio makes the Red Dead Redemption series? Where would you be if you were standing on the Spanish Steps? Who has won the most total Academy Awards? How many ghosts chase Pac-Man at the start of each game? What planet in the Milky Way is the hottest? Who was the last Tsar of Russia? What country has the highest life expectancy? What company was initially known as Blue Ribbon Sports? What artist has the most streams on Spotify? How many minutes are in a full week? What city is known as the Eternal City? Who was the ancient Greek god of the sun? Roald Amundsen was the first man to reach the South Pole, but where was he from? What country has won the most World Cups? What disease commonly spread on pirate ships? What art form is described as decorative handwriting or handwritten lettering? Which planet has the most moons? In what country would you find Mount Kilimanjaro? Aureolin is a shade of what color? Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.